Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about buying a business, specifically a really cool type of business that helps people get healthier. This particular type of business is super exciting and could help you earn high 6 to 7 figures in less than a year. Now, you might be thinking, buying a business? That sounds like something only guys in $5,000 suits and have Harvard MBAs do. And you're half right, it is for some of them. But ordinary people like you and me are doing it every day. I'm going to explain it in a way that makes sense to everyone, even if your everyday fits are sweats and sneakers. Think of it like this. Imagine you're a kid and you love setting up lemonade stands. You've learned how to make the best lemonade, find the best spot, and tell everyone about it. When you buy a business, it's like buying an already built lemonade stand that's already making money and has lots of happy customers. You don't have to start from scratch. So what kind of business are we talking about today? We're talking about something called GLP-1 weight loss centers. That sounds like a mouthful, right? Well, let's break it down. First, weight loss centers are places where people go to get help losing weight and living healthier lives. They have doctors, nurses, and other helpers who give advice and support. Think of it like a gym, but for your health inside and out. Now, what's GLP-1? This is the super cool part. GLP-1 is a special kind of medicine that helps people lose weight. It's like a tiny helper inside your body that tells your brain, hey, I'm full, so you don't eat too much. It also helps your body use sugar better. Many people are using these medicines and they're getting amazing results, losing a lot of weight and feeling much healthier. So a GLP-1 weight loss center is a place where doctors can give people these special medicines and help them on their journey to get healthier. It's a really important and growing area of healthcare. Now, why would you want to spend your hard-earned money buying a business like this? Well, there are a few big reasons why these GLP-1 centers are a smart move right now. Reason number one, lots of people need them. More and more people are learning about these GLP-1 medicines and want to try them out to get healthy. It's like a kid with a brand new toy that all her friends want. There's huge demand because so many people are interested. These businesses have lots of customers, which means they can make a lot of money. Reason number two, they're a pretty safe investment. Even when times are tough, think about it. When people need to feel better and improve their health, they'll usually find a way to do it. These aren't like toy stores or candy shops that people might cut back on if money is tight. Healthcare is something people always need, so these businesses tend to do well even if the economy isn't great. We call that recession proof, like having a super strong shield against bad times. Reason number three, the future looks bright. Experts say that more and more people will be using GLP-1 medicines in the years to come. This means that if you buy one of these businesses now, it's likely to keep growing and become even more valuable later. It's like planting a seed today that you know will grow into a giant redwood tree. Okay, so now you know why buying a business like this is a good idea. But how do you actually do it? Well, it's like following a recipe. There are steps to take. Step number one, find the right business. This is like finding the perfect house. You don't just pick the first one you see. You need to look for a GLP-1 center that's already doing well, has happy customers and good doctors and nurses working there. You might work with special helpers called business brokers who are like real estate agents for businesses. They help you find places that are for sale. Step number two, do your homework. This is super important. Before you buy, you need to check everything out about the business. It's like checking under the hood of a car before you buy it and taking it for a test drive. You look at their records, how much money they make, how much they spend, and how many customers they have. You also check out if they have all the right papers and licenses to operate, and if they follow all the rules for healthcare businesses. This step is called due diligence, and it helps you make sure there are no hidden problems. You'd also have smart people helping you with this, like special accountants who are good with numbers, and lawyers who are good with rules and papers. They're like your detective team, making sure everything is clear and honest. Step number 3, figure out the money. Buying a business costs money, just like buying a house. Most people don't have all the money sitting in their piggy bank, so they get help from banks. If you're fortunate enough to have the cash to get started, congratulations. That's one less thing to worry about. But if you don't, banks can sometimes give you a loan, which is money you borrow and then pay back over time. Sometimes the person selling the business might even let you pay them over time. That's called seller financing, which is like buying a car from your friend and paying them back a little each week. Now, there are also special loans called SBA loans that are made for small businesses, and they sometimes can be easier to get. Your financial detective team can help you find the best way to get the money you need. Step number 4, make a deal. Once you've done your homework and know how you'll pay, it's time to agree on a price and all the other details. This is like negotiating for that cool new video game when you were a kid. You want to get a good price. Your lawyer will help you write down everything in a special paper called a purchase agreement. This paper says exactly what you're buying, how much you're paying, and when everything will happen. It protects both you and the person selling the business. Step number 5, take over. After all, the papers are signed and the money is ready. You officially become the new owner. This is when the exciting part really begins. You may work with the old owner for a little while to learn how everything works, meet the staff, get comfortable. It's like taking over as the captain of a team. You need to learn the plays from the old captain first. So you've done all the hard work of buying a business. What happens next? Now it's your turn to make it even better. First, keep those patients happy. The most important thing for any business is happy customers, or in this case, happy patients. You want to make sure the center provides excellent care, the staff are friendly, and everyone feels supported on their health journey. Happy patients tell their friends, and that means more business. Second, look for ways to grow. There are even professionals to help you with marketing, doing social media and other things to expand your business. Even a good business can get better. Maybe you can offer new services or bring in more doctors or even open another center in a different town someday. Think about how you can help even more people and make your business even more successful. Third, stay up to date. The world of medicine and health is always changing. New discoveries are made all the time and new ways to help people come out. You want to make sure your GLP-1 center is always using the best and newest ways to help people. This keeps your business fresh and ahead of the game. Let's quickly recap what we've talked about today about buying a business in the GLP-1 world. GLP-1 centers help people lose weight with special medicine. They're a smart business to buy because lots of people need them. They're pretty safe, even in tough times, and they're expected to grow. The steps to buying one are: find it, do your homework, get the money, make a deal, and take over. After you own it, keep the patients happy. Look for ways to grow and stay current with new treatments. Buying a business like a GLP-1 weight loss center isn't just about making money. It's about helping people live healthier, happier lives. It's a chance to be a leader and make a real difference in your community, while also building something important for yourself. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone who wants to invest their time and effort into something truly meaningful and profitable, even if you don't have any medical experience. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into the nuts and bolts of buying a GLP-1 weight loss center, grab a free copy of my ebook titled Fat Profits in the description below. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. From my lips to your ears, I love you. I'll see you next time.